day 3, right? Coming, yeah, day 3 in Florida. And right now we're pumping gas, and we're gonna go to buy Universal Studio tickets. Damn, shut up! I'm literally trying to talk to the vlog. Talk to the vlog. Ain't no one stopping you. And then we're gonna go to Cocoa Beach. Y'all, we're going, bitch. Get your ass up. We're gonna gift outlets right here. It's across the CVS. They're building Disney gift outlet. Y'all already know what's up. No food or drinks allowed. Thank you, but okay. Órale, mira lo que tiene. Yay. There's yay. Are these real? I think these are real. Oh my gosh. I hella zone out like right here, and it's so hilarious. So. Ew, this is disgusting. We're going to Cocoa Beach. I'll vlog the day when we get there. I'm gonna blow into the mic so you guys can't hear the music. Alright, little hijos, you're at Cocoa Beach.
We fucked up when we smoked that joint last night.
How do you feel about being at Cocoa Beach right now?
I feel like I should have brought my phone. Or mom!
How do you feel that we're at Cocoa Beach now? I don't know. Yeah.
I just woke up.
Cocoa Beach, I heard it's really nice according to my bestie. She already came here. There's trash can. Oh my god, people from school. Nanny, look, people from school. Oh my gosh, what are y'all doing here? Beat. Is this where I fucked up? You take your socks off right now.
I just took them off before we get in.
Oh, that smells like piss. Sharks. Oh my god, it's gonna fly and it's gonna fly towards us. Oh, those are all the shoes over there. Y'all wanna be on some header? So, hold that shit. Why did they tell us they were going to the bathroom? I gotta pee. My voice sounds scary in that clip. Sorry.
Let me see a towel so I can lay on it.
My sandcastle I built. Don't smash it, Selma.
That's not a sandcastle.
Yes, it is. I don't have any. Are you gonna go get in, Tlingo?
Huh?
You gonna go get in? Oh my gosh.
Are you really?
Oh no, Tlingo! Oh no!
Be like Toyo. He only lives once.
I don't want to. I can only live once, that's why. Yeah. Oh no! That looks nice. I'm not gonna go though. It's gonna poop on us. Where is it? I recorded it. Wait! Turn it the other way. Oh, there's a shell. Oh, that's so cute. So my sister just gave the birds crackers and now they're gonna chase us. But the water's super nice. Super. Yeah. I'm just recording. I'm about to fall in the water. water feels so fucking nice, though. If you come to Florida, come to Clearwater Beach. Because the water here feels nice, don't it?
Yeah.
Selma, I thought you left. Edu! Oh, and Victor's a head ass. Look what they're doing. Oh, look what they're doing.
Beach is pretty cute or whatever.
Yeah, this water is clearer than Clearwater Beach, let me tell you. And this beach looks way nicer. So, and there's lots of birds here. It's kind of scary, but like, I don't know how to photo shoot. My ears are gonna pop. We left the beach, and we're gonna go eat somewhere right now.
You just hear Keenan saying, "Come on, Nadu."
We're going to Florida Seafood on Cocoa Beach. Yeah, I don't really care. Turns out we forgot it was Christmas Eve and the Florida Seafood place is closed. Came to eat at this place. Go crazy. Go stupid. Adu! Oh my gosh.
Get in the box.
Ew. God damn it.
Under the fridge.
I don't know why you didn't put the box over, but good try, Beck.
I'm so scared. That was the scariest moment of my life.
We have a pet.
Should probably put the frijoles away now. This is our pool, y'all, for vacay. Stupid ass. Dog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Coming at you from this little Mexican store that we found. We're in Haines, Florida. We're in this place because we wanted to go to a Mexican store because no people around Kissimmee, Florida had Mexican stuff. Like, damn, little Mexicans really out here being struggling. We had to drive all the way out here. How long was the drive? Like 30 minutes? The drive was 30 minutes to get into a little Mexican store, and now we're here.
My baby's forming already, y'all. Look.
Yeah, she's 5 months pregnant right now, but now it's just not forming. So,
Ah, you bitch. Get for my baby.
gender reveal. But I'm probably gonna blend this with. Yeah, does it look cool? Take, record it. I want to see how it looks. Here. So we're out of that Mexican store. We ended up getting some groceries, and we got water because we ran out. I have.
Maybe I should have.
I passed all my classes, unfortunately. We just stopped at Family Dollar to get some quick things for later. Oh, did I mention it's Christmas? I probably didn't. Well, if you're not watching this on Christmas, well, I'm not gonna upload this on Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Kelly came in clutch.
She let you pass?
Yeah.
With what?
A D.
Orale, I passed with the D2. This is my sister and my niece.
Okay, I'll lie to you. It is right behind you. It's a walk.
Deadass?
It's like up there.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, it's what time is it? Like 4?
It's 3:21.
It's 3:21. So basically, my dumbass accidentally recorded in slow-mo. So here we are. The video's about to end. So thanks for watching. Yeah, yeehaw, and have a great day.